Hi, welcome to Ed Foodie. Today we're going to try a dessert. Get my hand here at baking. We're going to make a lemon pie. It's going to be very similar to like a key lime pie. We're just going to use lemon juice instead. I think it looks pretty easy, so let's get started. All right, to start off here, I've already got some ingredients mixed in here. I've got 1.5 cups of some graham cracker crumbs. And then 1/4 cup of regular white sugar. And we can put in just a little pinch of salt. All right, so we're just going to stir these up. I like these pre-made crumbs, but I'm sure it's cheaper if you just buy graham crackers and you can put them in a blender or in a food processor. All right, and so over at the stove top, I have 6 tablespoons of butter that I'm heating up. I want it all totally liquid, not boiling or anything, just totally melted. All right, so we have our 6 tablespoons melted butter. We're going to slowly pour this into our graham cracker mixture. And keep stirring. So we'll stir this until it all gets incorporated into the graham cracker crumb mixture. And what we'll end up with is something like a consistency of wet sand. And also I have my oven preheated to 325 degrees. Okay, so while this is still somewhat wet, we'll pour it into a 9-inch pie pan. Spread it out evenly. And you can kind of help that. You can use the bottom of I'm just using the bottom of a measuring cup. Just to get that even and level. You don't want to push it down too hard. We're going to put this in our 325 degree oven for 15 minutes, or until we'll start to see it maybe just turn a little bit brown. We'll keep an eye on it. Here's our crust after 15 minutes in the oven. We're just going to let this cool off for about 30 minutes. So I'll set this aside. So let's get going on the pie filling. I have a large bowl, 2 cans of sweetened and condensed milk, so into my 2 cans, they're 14-ounce cans, by the way. I think that's all you can buy. I've got 4 egg yolks, 2 which you can see have broken. All right, we'll just whisk this up so that get these eggs blended in good. An 1/8 of a teaspoon of salt. Just a little pinch. And now the important part, I have 3/4 of a cup of fresh squeezed lemon juice. And this is important that it's fresh squeezed. It was about 4 to 5 lemons. What we can do now is, if you haven't turned off your oven, turn it up to 375 degrees. All right, my oven's preheated to 375. This is cooled off enough, I think. Got my pie filling blended really good. All right, so let's fill up. All right, we're going to put this in the oven, 375 degree oven, for about 20 minutes. And we should be pretty much done. All right, so here we have it. It's been in the oven for 20 minutes. So we're going to let this sit out here for 15 minutes, maybe 20 minutes, get it down to room temperature. Then we'll put it in the refrigerator overnight, and we'll put a little bit of some unsweetened, I think, whipped cream, because this is pretty sweet, in the middle, and just to look nice, and we'll be done. All right, I'm going to quickly mix up some fresh whipping cream. I've got 3/4 of a cup of heavy cream, 1/8 of a teaspoon of vanilla, and a 1/2 tablespoon of powdered sugar. I'm going to beat this for about 2 minutes, and we should have a nice, not too sweet whipped cream. If you want a pretty sweet whipping cream, you'll put in about 1.5 tablespoons or 2 tablespoons of the powdered sugar. Here's our lemon pie from last night. It's been in the refrigerator overnight. I just whipped up some whipped cream with barely any sugar in it. I'm just going to put a little bit of this on top in the center. So here we have it, lemon pie. I guess you could call it, it's a lemon icebox pie is what they call it. We're going to serve this tonight for some company we're having over. Hopefully I'll be able to get a little video of at least somebody trying it to see how good it is. John and Ed foodie video, tasting my food. You guys come taste the pie. Not too sour for you?
No, it tastes so good.
Lemon, icebox.
I like it.
Yeah, I like lemon.
Ed's as good as he says he is.
It's back 1,000.
非常好，非常好，你非常吧，你最好了，非常好。
Translated, that's the best lemon
Yes.
pie.
If you like the video, give me a thumbs up. Please subscribe to Ed Foodie right over there. Thank you for watching.